welcome to my channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. Hi guys, today I came up with a new video with a new topic, and today's video is going to be very interesting, so I request you all to please watch this video till end. So guys, have you ever felt that you are cheated? No guys, I'm not talking about the relationships, but I'm talking about learning French language. Because in French language there are so many words which are quite similar to English language, but their actual meaning in French language can blow your mind. So I'm going to share with you these kind of this sort of 20 words which are very similar to English, but their meaning are completely different. These words are called faux amis in French, and in English we call it false friends. Okay, so let us start with our first word, that is attendre. Attendre. The meaning of attendre, you can think as an English speaker it can be attained, but no, that's not correct. The meaning of attendre is to wait. It is a verb in French. Next word is actuellement. Actuellement. Actuellement meaning is, you as an English speaker you can think actually, but no. The meaning of actuellement is at present or currently, up to date information. Next word is car. Car. C-A-R, car. No, it's not car. Car meaning in French is as or because, when you want to give a reason. If you are a French speaker, if you are a French learner, then you know the word parce que. The synonym of parce que is car in French. Next is blazer. Blazer. See here, blazer. So blazer is never ever blazed. Okay, blazer is injured actually. In French, blazer means injured. Next word is chance. Yeah, you can see this word very similar to English, quite similar to English. The meaning of chance is not chance, guys. The meaning of chance is luck. Okay, luck. Sometimes you can say opportunity. Next word is coin. See here the word spelling C-O-I-N, coin. So this is the sound of this word is coin. First of all, it is not coin. Okay, and the meaning of course is not coin. The meaning of coin is corner. Okay, the next word is demande. Demande. Demande meaning is ask. It is not to demand but ask. Next word is gentil. Gentil. See here, gentil. Gentil is not gentle. Gentil actually we use for a person. It is an adjective. We use this word for a person if the person is very nice, kind-hearted people. Okay, so gentil means very nice or kind. It is not gentle. Next word is grand. Yes, you can see the spelling grand. So grand in English you can think grand, but no. The meaning of grand is again an adjective. It's an adjective, and the meaning of grand is tall for a person. If you are using il est grand, that means the person is tall. Or if you are talking about non-living things, for example, la salle est grande, that means la salle est grande. That meaning is big. Okay, so grand is not grand but tall or big. Next word is journée. Yes, this is the spelling journée. Now you can think journée is journey. Many of my students get confused with this word. So we say in French bonne journée. So most of the time people understand bonne journée is a happy journey. No, it's not correct. Journée meaning is day. This word is coming from the word jour. Jour is day and journée is again day. So bonne journée in French, that meaning is have a nice day. Okay. Next word is library. Yeah, see here, library. So library, yeah, it is related to book only, because most of the English speakers understand library is library. No, library is actually bookshop. What we call library in French is bibliothèque. Bibliothèque, where you have to borrow the book and you can read the book over there. But library, you have to purchase the book. Library is a place where you have to buy the book. So library is bookstore, not library. Remember this. Next word is médecin. quite similar na in English. Médecin. Médecin is, many of the students get médecin is medicine. No, médecin is the person who gives you medicine, that is doctor. Okay, so médecin in French, doctor. And remember the pronunciation, it is médecin in French. Whenever I and at the end of the word, we sound as en. Okay, médecin. Next word is travail. Yes, you can see the word travail. So what is the first word coming in your mind? That is travel, right? But no, it's wrong. In French, travail is work. Okay, it's never ever travel. Next is pain. Yes, very close to English, right? Pain. It's not pain. Pain, the meaning of pain is bread. Okay, it's bread. In Mumbai there is a shop also called La Quotidian Pain. That is the daily bread. The shop name is. It's not the meaning of the pain is not pain. The pain in French is called douleur. But let's not discuss about that. We will understand first the French word and the meaning of their actual meaning we are learning here. Next word is sal. Yes, SALE, sal. What is the word coming in your mind? That is sail, right? As an English speaker, but no. Sal. First of all, the sound of this word is sal, and the meaning of sal is dirty. Okay, dirty. Next is sha. Yes, this is my favorite word. Sha. First of all, the T of this word is silent. Okay, this is called sha. And the meaning of sha is not chat, but cat. Yeah, you heard correct. That is cat. The meaning of sha is cat. Cat. Next word is vacances. Yes, this is the word vacances. So vacances, the first word coming in your mind definitely will be vacancy. But no, the meaning of vacances is vacation. And remember, this vacances word in French we always use with plural. Next word is magasin. Magasin. The meaning of magasin is not magazine, guys. The meaning of magasin is shop or store. Okay. And the next word is reste. Reste. So as you can see, reste is very much similar with the word rest in English for English speakers. So many times people get confused with reste as to take rest. But no, reste meaning is to stay back or to remain. For example, if I say, je reste dans mon bureau pour le travail, that sentence meaning is I stay back at office for my work. It doesn't mean I'm taking rest for my work. No. So reste is to stay back or to remain. Last word I'm going to tell you, that is merci. Merci meaning is not mercy but thank you. Thank you. Okay. So guys, these are the 20 words which I wanted to share with you. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, do share with your friends and learning partners. If you have any confusion, write in the comment box. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe to it. And if you are preparing for DELF examination, so for DELF preparation book links and DELF preparation playlist links all are given in the description of my YouTube channel, YouTube video. You can go and check the YouTube video, and you will get lots of links regarding DELF examination. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.